guess the car by the burnout sound. So let's get into it. Car edition. Alright. It's gotta be a Mazda RX-7. Sorry. Let's go. That freaking BMW is good. It's gotta be a muscle car. There's no way that's not a muscle car. It's not a Senna, it's too much power. It's a Ferrari, LaFerrari. If you know me, Ferraris are hard. Wow. I just got so embarrassed. That's a muscle car. Oh, Hellcat. I love my Hellcats. If you guys know me, I love Hellcats. They're actually my favorite car. Bro, 900 horsepower. Look at that smoke. That thing can destroy. I'm actually getting kind of emotional here. Oh, a Ferrari F12 TDF. Let's go. Because I know the Ferrari F40, the first car to break the... Oh, hard. That's gotta be like a Corvette. It's gotta be. That's gotta be a Corvette. It's a BMW M5. E60. Please. Yeah! I know an old BMW don't look like that. V10. I mean V8. I was kidding. V8. What? There's no way a BMW has a V10. Put my heart in it. Yeah, that's gotta be a Lambo. It has to be a Lambo. It's a Mustang. If it's a Mercedes, I am literally gonna throw my phone out the window. Mom, get me a new phone. Because I'm about to throw it out the window. What was that in at the end? Okay, that's got to be a supercar. There's no way that's not a Pagani. That's got to be a Pagani. That's a Nissan 350Z. Supras don't sound anything like that. Supras don't sound anything like... Okay. It's gotta be a muscle car. Corvette C6. C6. There's no way that's a GT. 3.3 seconds. 3.3 seconds. That's gotta be a Corvette. That's gotta be a Corvette. Ferraris are more hard, so I'm gonna go with the McLaren. Let's go. I'm the baby. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. That's not a muscle car for sure. There's no way that's a muscle car. Okay. It's a Porsche. If it's a Viper, I'm literally gonna stop the video.